I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact account and platform requirements so you don't waste time. This tells you whether the sticker can be applied. Once done, locate the event or in-game store listing that sells the sticker packs and note the price in dollar or in-game currency. Make sure your inventory has free sticker slots or capacity. If not, clear duplicates now. Doing these first steps guarantees the rest of the process goes smoothly and avoids purchase or application errors later. Now you buy the pack that specifically grants superhero skin stickers. Double-check the pack contents to avoid wrong purchases. Once bought, open the sticker or customization menu and choose the superhero skin you want to modify. Select Apply or Equip. Use the preview controls to position, scale, and rotate the sticker so it sits on the skin where you want it. Small adjustments make a big difference to the final look. If there are layering options, place durable or metallic stickers on top for pop. Finally, confirm and save your changes, then load into a match or preview to verify the sticker appears correctly on the superhero skin. If the sticker is missing or wrong, make sure the game is synced to your account, install any pending updates, and re-log in. These steps resolve most display glitches. If problems persist, capture screenshots and your purchase receipt, then contact support with concise details so they can restore or re-roll the sticker for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.